Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 3-stair dog steps for my little puppies here. Sometimes they have troubles getting up in the bed, and it's really nice to have this foldable dog stairs. These are awesome because they have removable carpet tops. So each stair has their own piece of carpet that you just Velcro on and off. So if they get dirty or they spill on them or make a mess, you can just take these off and wash them. So that is awesome. Another great thing about these stairs is that they are actually just a storage container. You can use them for storage, so now they're multi-purpose. So not only are they there for the dog, but they can also store some extra goodies in there just to help clean up the area. So we're gonna put this thing together. It is so very simple to put together, and I love things that are easy. The bottom of it has a non-slip grip on the bottom. So that way on this like wood surface, it's not gonna go moving all around. And this just folds out. So there is your base of your stairs. And then they have these little wooden boards that you put in the bottom of each of the stairs just to stabilize it a little bit. And that way they won't collapse in. So we're gonna put the last one in here. And then the only thing left to do is put your stairs on. Except each one of these has a nice big box now that you can then store some stuff in. So we'll put the stairs on and then we will have our dogs go up it. So you can easily put things inside these stairs. That way you've got them if you need them, whether it's treats or blankets or even books, because I'm gonna put this next to my bed. And it'd be nice to be able to just store some stuff in there and just kind of tidy up the area. I said these all just fit down in here real nice. Now we've got our 3 stairs. And we will get the dogs to use it real nice. I like that the carpet is on here, so it kind of helps them not slip too. Okay, come on up. Come on. Very easy to use for them. Come on, you got one more. Come on. There we go. That was really easy for the dogs to get up and use. I really like the style and the extra convenience of having those storage cases. Good.